To have the National Trust and Benjamin Moore open to helping us out, it was a blessing. Without the paint, it wouldn't be what it is. This was a main stop for travelers along Route 66.
My parents moved here when I was 10 years old. We all worked here together. It was so busy that people used to just drive in off any place they wanted, and it created havoc. Like big holidays, it was solid lights coming down that hill right there. The day that they opened up 40, one person came down the highway that day. He was a guy that worked at the road, and he bought a cup of coffee, and that was it. My dad stood up, he goes, well, it pretty much tells a story, we're done.
So it was non-operational when my grandfather got it, but it was still the structures and the sign. And
over the years, it just kept deteriorating and deteriorating and deteriorating until, such time as we started refurbishing it. From Benjamin Moore, we got the paint donation.
We reprimed it with Benjamin Moore paint, and it adhered to the metal really well. After that, we went and started putting the colors on top. And then I worked in my shop blowing the neon. And then more trips coming back out here and putting it all back together.
it's kind of twofold to restore the sign, because I've always wanted to see it relit, and then second, to be able to share it with those that have a connection with the road and be able to see something that's been redone.
I feel my parents in it, you know, and at least they're, in my mind, it's their spirit here. They get to be remembered in a small way.
I lost my husband in 2013, and the last trip that we did was down Route 66. And so in 2017, I did part of Route 66 again. And being on Route 66 just gave me such a peace. And I never imagined what that sign would mean to me, to be able to be here today, to relight it. It's kind of a testament to him.
Ryan and I and everyone here cannot express the gratitude enough for making this once that seemed impossible a reality. Thank you all for coming.